you know, days like today are pretty miserable on a motorcycle. It's cold. It's like 47 degrees. It's drizzling. And it's just, yeah, this sucks. But it is what it is. This is my chosen steed, chosen mode of transportation, so I gotta make do with what you got. But yeah, I will say it is kind of chilly. I got my hand warmers on, so hands are okay. Feet are kind of cold. I don't have my winter boots on. Upper body, I'm okay. It's a little chilly, but yeah, that and it's just kind of yicky. Like when I go inside, it's like I don't want to wear all of my stuff, my pants, my riding pants, but I can't take them off easily. I gotta take my shoes off, and then the ground's wet, and then it's like there's no winning. I mean, I've got chaps, but the chaps don't really help me stay warm. They're just, you know, thin leather chaps. Don't have the insulated ones. That's on my Christmas list, though. So at least then my legs will stay warmer. Crotch, not so much. But oh well, I'm gonna figure something out with that. But yeah, kind of miserable day to ride. It's cold and it's wet, so the visor keeps fogging up. But it is what it is. This is life on a bike. Day after day after day, I am on two wheels. Just gotta, you know, leave a little bit of extra space, take the curves a little slower, just to, you know, just to make sure that I don't hit any oil slicks, because that would definitely suck. I can see my breath in my helmet. Oh man, but just wanted y'all to experience, well, sort of experience this with me. Of course, you're sitting in the comforts of your lounge chair and your PJs, laying in bed, or wherever you may be watching this. Just think of me out here in the cold and the rain. It's kind of windy too, and the wind, riding around for your enjoyment. Are you not entertained? Well, I mean, I'm entertained. It's not too bad. But yeah, it's chilly, it's wet, and it's just gonna get worse. Apparently we got some bad storms coming. That's gonna be not so fun, I will say. Shut my visor. Oh man. At least, you know, these are more interesting roads than, you know, what I was riding in a year ago down in South Georgia. Straight and flat. I mean, I would leave and I'd have like 2 stoplights to get through, and after that I basically wouldn't stop until I was parked at the office that was like 40 miles away. That part was nice, but I mean, go back and look at my videos from a year ago. They were not very entertaining. Didn't have much to look at. wide, 4-lane divided roads that were straight and flat for miles. I could literally see the flashing yellow light at a town that was 5 miles away at night. I could see it. That's how straight and flat they were. Clear cut this or something. They are building up so much in this part of town. It is insane. Summer Grove. That's why. That's where I am. So, all in all, it's not horrible. Yes, it's sucky. Yes, I would much rather have like 78 and sunny. Actually 70 and sunny would be like perfect, because then it's not too hot, not too cold. I can just wear minimum stuff and be comfortable. But 47 and rainy is not too fun. Oh, and now we got traffic. Oh well. Just please be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.